If you are looking to succeed in life and in your goals, then you must be prepared to make certain sacrifices in order to achieve your dreams. Well, in today's video, we're going to explore 7 reasons why people fail and how to overcome them. Please make sure to smash that like button and subscribe if you like this type of content, and let's get started. The first reason, lack of self-discipline. Success requires discipline, period. Exerting self-control over yourself is a central requirement for being successful. If you lack self-discipline, you're more likely to give up too quickly when problems arise. Similarly, a lack of discipline makes you more likely to give in to short-term temptations that lead you to nowhere. If you're undisciplined, you see no reason in making sacrifices today in order to prosper tomorrow. However, if you're disciplined, avoiding temptations and distractions will be much easier for you. Self-control helps you be focused on the aims you seek to pursue. Even if that means temporal sacrifices, sacrificing and abstaining from temptations is critical to your success. In order to improve your self-discipline, you must increase your stress tolerance. Meditate, remove distractions, break bad habits, postponing unbeneficial behaviors, making plans and rewarding yourself for accomplishing your goals, tolerating a higher level of emotional discomfort, exercising regularly. The next point, lack of persistence. You can be talented and intelligent, but if you don't combine these two with persistence, you'll fail eventually. A lack of persistence is a great obstacle to success. There are so many incredibly talented and gifted people who fail time and time again because they rely too much on their talents. They are not willing to persist until they've completely mastered what they're doing. Instead, they quit when the going gets tough. If you think that a lack of persistence is causing your failures, find ways to stop giving up too quickly. While it's true that persisting when you're stuck in a dead-end situation will lead you nowhere, persistence is all about finding new approaches and making adjustments. Persist when you're confronted with difficult situations and problems. Continue fighting for the accomplishments of your dreams, even if it's uncomfortable. And just because you're stuck in a dead end does not mean that there are no other ways to reach your goal. Number 3, unwillingness to swim against the current. It's always easier to swim with the flow, but it will lead you to where everyone else goes. It will only give you the same results everyone else accomplishes. Society is designed to make you swim with the current. Even if you're not good at it, it puts a great number of obstacles in the path of those who strive for their own greatness by going against the current. People simply feel threatened by those who challenge prevailing opinions. At the same time, however, society greatly rewards many of those who successfully manage to go against the stream. Without these individuals, there'll be no airplanes, electricity, and computers. Pursue those activities that align with your innate strengths and talents. Number 4, lack of planning. If you don't have a proper plan, then you are less likely to succeed in life. It doesn't matter if the plan is imperfect or if things are not going to work out exactly as planned. All that matters is that you have a plan. It will help you to steer all your actions in one direction. Without a clear plan, you'll most likely go left, right, forwards, and backwards, but you'll never come closer to your goals. The importance of planning is supported by scientific research, which highlighted that entrepreneurs are less likely to fail if they created a plan. Update your plans regularly and make adjustments if necessary. Number 5, fear of failure. Don't be afraid to fail. Be afraid of not having the courage to try. It's important to realize that the fear of failure is a major obstacle on the road to success. By overcoming it, you can take an important step in the right direction. Progress can only be accomplished by taking one step after the other. It doesn't matter if you slip here and there. All that matters is that you get back up and continue walking. Instead, use the lessons you've learned from all your failures to pursue your dreams with even greater determination. Number 6, wanting too much too quickly. A great number of people dream of accomplishing the greatest things. They set themselves incredibly challenging goals, but are quickly intimidated once they realize how high the mountain they're standing in front of rises into the sky. Consequently, they quickly become discouraged because of a lack of results. These are people that figuratively hike for an hour only to realize that the distance to the mountaintop hasn't become shorter, which is why they give up. There's no problem with aiming high and dreaming big. In some cases, you might be setting yourself up for a long, hard fall by aiming too high, but in general, it will encourage you to try hard and strive for greatness. The real problem lies in aiming high without considering the dedication, effort, and work it takes each day to come anywhere close to your goals. In line with this thinking, it's a massive problem if we shoot for the stars without thinking about developing a proper means of transportation that will get us there. If you set major and minor milestones on your path to the mountaintop, you keep your motivation at high levels during the whole journey. Once again, this is about the journey, not the destination. Lastly, excuses. If you blame other people for your own mistakes and problems, you're destined to fail. At the same time, we are all confronted with problems that derail us from our paths. It's only when we stop using these problems and challenges as excuses that we will make progress in life. Successful individuals don't allow excuses to stand between themselves and their goals. For this reason, they resist the temptation of finding a feel-good excuse, accept responsibility for their actions, and start taking matters into their own hands. Always a reason that justifies inaction. Don't let your fear of failure, rejection, or change confine you within the boundaries of your comfort zone. Use these 7 strategies to help you dream big and achieve success. Please make sure to smash that like button and subscribe, and thanks for watching.